teach you how to fix this phone in 3 minutes.
The phone suddenly went black and won't turn on. It needs to be turned on while keeping the data. After watching this video, you can fix the phone too.
Without further ado, let's start disassembling the phone. The customer went to after-sales service and was told to replace the motherboard, which would not preserve the phone's data. So we are going to repair the motherboard to see what the issue is. Remove the motherboard. First, we will power the motherboard. Press the power button and check the single board current. The motherboard current stabilizes at 103 milliamps. This situation is usually a CPU problem, which makes this repair even simpler. In simple terms, just remove the CPU and RAM, reboot them and install them back on the motherboard. That's it.
When removing the CPU, make sure to move quickly and look cool.
Next, clean the removed CPU thoroughly. Finally, clean it with cotton. Sequentially apply solder to the CPU and the running memory. Next, clean the solder pads on the motherboard. Next, apply soldering oil to the pads and reinstall the CPU with the solder back onto the motherboard.
Heat evenly using a hot air gun.
Apply solder paste again. Let's install the RAM. Align the RAM with the CPU. Use a heat gun to warm it up and install the memory in place.
After the motherboard is cooled, supply power to it.
Press the power button. The motherboard startup current is already normal.
Next, apply thermal paste to the CPU.
Install the shielding cover back onto the motherboard. Put the motherboard back into the phone.
Next, connect the screen, charging port, and battery connectors.
The phone powers on normally. Enter the lock screen password. We enter the phone system, all the data is intact. Is that simple? Have you learned it?